3D Systems invented estereolithography, and now we've optimized it for a powerful combination of precision and ease of use in the toughest production applications. The ProJet 6000 and 7000 crossover printers by 3D Systems blend the unmatched quality of SLA with top-notch speed and cost-efficient materials. And with convenience to boot, these machines make it easier than ever to introduce SLA into your workflow.
With the ProJet 6000 and 7000, I can create highly detailed, realistic medical education models.
With a convenient touchscreen interface and a simple top-change material station, it's easy to print prototypes or functional parts and take advantage of the unparalleled material choices the 6000 and 7000 have to offer.
With the ProJet 6 and 7000, I am able to create propeller prototypes which I can use for fit and function testing.
The ProJet 6000 and 7000 deliver legendary SLA quality and precision. The super smooth surface finish and fine detail for small parts make this a perfect fit for snap-fit assemblies, functional prototypes, master and direct casting patterns, and more.
I can print crystal clear end-use headlamp covers for my car restorations.
ProJet crossovers fit a diverse range of demanding applications. From automotive to jewelry, healthcare to dental, and even electronics, that's just the beginning. What you do with the ProJet 6000 and 7000 is up to you. So visit your local reseller or visit 3dsystems.com to find out more about how ProJet crossover printers are changing the ease and accuracy of product development. Come see how 3D Systems is helping customers around the world manufacture the future.